अरे बच्चों, पिछले दिन मैंने नाजी कल्ट ऑफ मदरहुड के बारे में पढ़ाया था। आज द आर्ट ऑफ प्रोपोगेंडा के बारे में पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं। ड्यूरिंग द हिटलर्स ऑटोक्रेटिक एंड डिस्पोटिक रूल, लैंग्वेज एंड मीडिया वर डीपली एम्प्लॉयड। हिटलर पूरा राजशाही देशभक्त के अनुशासन के अंतर्गत देश को चलाना चाहता था। द नाजी coined न्यू टर्म्स टू enrich their working system. These terms were despotic as well as horrifying. The Nazis did not use in their papers such words as murder of death to describe the massacre of the Jews. They used words like special treatment or final solution. Word euthanasia was used to describe the murder of the disabled. Evacuation means leading the people to gas chambers. Gas chambers were called infection-free regions. These chambers look like bath rooms fitted with artificial soap. The use of mediums as a strategy. The Nazi very carefully employed media to win support of the people. The Nazi got help of picture, film, radio, poster, attractive slogan, and advertising pamphlets to spread and propagate their ideology. The poster of Germany depicted the stereotype image of the enemies of Germany. They were mocked, they were insulted, they were presented as an evil. The socialists and the liberals were painted as weak and depraved. They were called as foreign agents. Propaganda films were used to separate hatred towards the Jews. The Internal Jews was most infamous film among them. The conservative Jews were presented in a special image. They were shown wearing kaftans. While it was difficult to distinguish the German Jews from the rest of the Germans because both of the communities were closely intermingled, the Jews were addressed as vermin, rats, and insects. Their gait and the action were compared to those of growing mole rats. The Nazi ideology had a deep impact on the psyche of the people. By provoking the emotion of the people, they concerted the people's jealousy and anger on the so-called undesirables. The campaign repaired the social base of the Nazi. The Nazi attempt to attract all the parts of the population. The Nazis propagated and created a belief among the people that only they could solve their all problems, and thereby they sought to win their support. सोर्स ई में देखिए, इन एन एड्रेस टू वीमेन एट द न्यूरनबर्ग पार्टी रैली 8 सितंबर 1934, Hitler said, "We do not consider it correct for the women to interfere in the word of the man in his main sphere. We consider it natural that the two words remain distinct. What the man gives in courage on the battlefield The women gives internal self-sacrifice in internal pain and suffering. Every child that women bring to world is a battle in battle wage for the extent of her people. यफ में शॉर्ट शॉर्ट में क्या देते हैं? हिटलर एंड न्यूरमबर्ग रैली 8 सितंबर 1934 also said the women is most stable element in the preservation of the fall of world. She has the most unrearing sin of everything that is important to not let a race disappear, because it is her children who would be affected by all this suffering at the first place. That is why we have integrated the women in the struggle of the racial community, just as nature and providence have determined so. Activity 5. How would you have reacted the Hitler's ideas if you were Jewish women or second or non-Jewish German women? Jewish women could severely condemn Hitler's views because Hitler's views were against humanity, the Jews and women. Women, non-Jewish German women, I would also actively condemn Hitler's ideology because he fixed only one goal for women. Women were considered only to bear more and more children. They were not granted any freedom. I do not agree to the Hitler's ideology towards the Jews. The Jews were in no way undesirable for the society. I have many Jewish friends. I like them. The Jews should not be called undesirable in any way. 6. What do you think this poster is trying to depict? Nazi poster attacking Jews. Captain above the read, money is the god of Jews. In order to earn money, he commits the greatest crime. He does not rest until he can sit on a big sack of money, until he has become the king of money. This poster is jeering the Jews. This picture depicts that the Jews are busy only with earning money. Money is God for the Jews. They can do any grave offense for money. This poster depicts that the Jews are greedy. The fatness of the man sitting on the sack of the money shows that the Jews are most greedy. German farmer, you belong to Hitler, right? German farmers stand in between two great dangers today. The one danger, American economic system, big capitalist. The other is Marxist economic system of Bolshevik, big capital and Bolsheviks work hand in hand. They are born of Jewish thought and serve the master plan of world Jews, who alone can rescue the farmer from these dangers. National Socialism. We understand that this poster is promoted the so-called National Socialism to mobilize the different section of the society. Nazi has depicted Hitler as a soldier from among the common men. Next day. Thanks.